and you don't care about the other person's karma. He can slap as much as if you want, right? And so therefore, in some sense, it's not really a compassionate act when we do that. When we let someone harm, it's not an act of compassion, harm you. When you see somebody harming and you let it harm, saying, oh, this is patient, I have to practice patience, I have to practice generosity and what have you, and that's a wrong compassion, they say. And so therefore, in that situation, sometimes you have to be sharp. If it helps the person, yes, you have to be a little bit sharp. That's what I mean, balancing. You have to come forward, try to help the situation. At the same time, you have to balance it with sitting back and reflecting. So both is very, very necessary. Does that make sense?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, over there.
Hello, Rinpoche. When you're talking about the shamatha, and when you get to the point where you're one-pointed, and then you relax, and then developing the concentration, the relaxing part, just the relaxing part, I'm having problems with that part.
Oh.
I want to know how to relax, and what that means, not be like too concentrated where it's uptight, and then just relax. How to develop that, or
right.
Understand.
That's right. Yeah. Relaxing. Relaxing is extremely important in meditation, especially in the Tibetan Vajrayana lineage of the Kagyu. We say that we have a saying: for those who can relax the most, can have the best meditation. For those who can relax the middling level, can have a middling level of meditation. For those who can relax the least, then can have a least meditation experience. And so therefore, in many meditation instructions it says that meditation is nothing but relaxing your mind, resting. Right? That's why we use the word resting, right? Shamatha, resting. And we don't say stressing, right? We say resting, so we shouldn't stress so much. At the beginning, you need some sense of discipline, right? We need some sense of discipline. That's why we're using these focuses. We bring our mind to such focus, try to be one-pointed, try to be there, on that object of meditation, whether it's a breath or flower. Once your mind is there, then you should relax. Relax here means let go. Let go of your concentration. Don't focus. You don't need to focus. Then at that point, let go of your focus. Rest there. And if you feel your mind is losing focus and getting distracted, then bring back that focus again. Bring back that focus, like sense of one-pointedness. And once your mind is there one-pointedly, so to speak, with breath or flower, then you let go. So that's like relaxing here is letting go of your concentrating process. Relaxing is not concentrating too hard, physically and mentally. Sometimes you can see in our physical posture too, like this or like this, rest. Try to rest, And then if you find yourself, your body is like stiff, a little bit stiff, you should relax. Relax your body and relax your mind and just rest simply.
Okay, I'll try more.
Yeah. Give it a shot. Yeah. Maybe just get there first and then.
Which one?
You. Yeah. Step in there, you're right there, yeah.
Yes, hi, Rinpoche.
Yes.
I had a question, kind of follow on with his. The difference between relaxing and indifference.
Say it again.
The difference between relaxing and indifference, like kind of falling asleep.
Relaxing and indifference?
Is there a...
Relaxing and spacing, you mean?
Yeah.
For those, I think, who cannot relax, it's good to space out. It's a begin. Yeah. It's a kind of beginning of relaxing, so to speak. But there's a difference here, a little bit of difference. Because what we are trying to do here is we are trying to find the perfect balance. Right? We're trying to find the perfect balance between focused yet relaxed, relaxed yet focused. In other words, awake, yet relaxed, and relaxed but still awake. That's the kind of balance we're trying to find. And that's, it's kind of a skill. It's kind of a process we have to go through. Sometimes there's a focus, but then relaxing is missing. Sometimes there's a relaxing, too much relaxing, and there's not enough focus, right? So when you find that experience of like too much relaxing, indifference, or spacing too much, then at that point we have to bring back our focus. You can even do that through strengthening your posture, more upright posture, and eye gaze, and also your mind together.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah. Thank you.
Rinpoche, in my line of work, I come into contact with wide ranges of personalities, and I find that something that I struggle with is dissatisfaction of experience. That I really expect an interaction to go a specific way, and when it doesn't, I'm very dissatisfied. And I get the distinct impression that the aspects of mind of flexibility and fluidity, and cultivating those would be very helpful. So I was wondering if you might speak to how you go about cultivating those particular aspects.
Fluidity and
flexibility.
Flexibility, yes. Key to that development is learning how to be in the present. Learning how to be in the moment, and how we can appreciate the beauty of this moment.